Hey everyone, it's Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage, and today we've got the 2021 A case to open up. We got this from Grana Toys. I have a subscription there with them for Hot Wheels cases. As soon as they arrive, they send them out. Now let's get straight into this one and check out what we've got. Do you know what the treasure hunt and the super treasure hunt is in this 2021 A case? I haven't checked yet, so I actually don't know what it is that I'm looking for, so I could quite possibly miss the treasure hunt pulling it out of this case. All right, let's get in there and check out what we're going to see in the 2021 A case. Oh, we've got the 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class. That's a carryover from the last case of 2020. Got the Hot Wheels Warp Speeder. Brand new series for this year. Hot Wheels Glow Racers. Very nice. I wonder if it glows or how well it glows. And we got the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. All right, now next up, we've got the 2010 Chevy Impala. We've got a Hyperfin. I think that might be a new casting. Pretty cool looking car as well. Looks like it would be awesome on the track. Take a look, very nice. I like that one. And we've got the Toyota Off-Road Truck, that bright orange color. And the wheels look cool on this as well. They are red, but I like it. I like it a lot. Keep going. Oh, I think I like this one. Oh, the 96 Porsche Carrera. Take a look at the colors on this one in that Hot Wheels Dream Garage series. Man, this really deserves that Dream Garage series. Look at that. And the disc wheels on this. Oh man, this is an awesome case. I'm really excited actually. The 64 Chevy Chevelle SS is a carryover. And we got the 2019 Audi R8 Spider. That was a brand new casting for 2020. And here we have it in that recolor of red. Man, that is pretty sweet. All right, let's keep going. Now we've got RV There Yet in the Hot Wheels Getaways series. This is actually a brand new series. I like the little logo they're using there too. It's the RV There Yet. And I think it looks really cool with that chrome on the back there. Much better than what we saw in the first releases. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But we've also got Buns of Steel and another 2010 Chevy Impala. Keep on going. We got a quad rod. Not really excited by that one. Got the 86 Monte Carlo SS. Oh, take a look at this. Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect in the Hot Wheels Metro series. What have we got on the side there? P-Pop? P-Pop and Sons? Pest Patrol Company. I mean, this color is really, really nice. It is the modified casting. We don't have the little bits hanging out the top anymore. But this one is really cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Actually, I think this is probably one of my favorites of the case. I'm going to put it on this side. All right, we've got two 52 Chevys there in the Rod Squad. And we've got Roger Dodger 2.0 in Muscle Mania series. We've got a High Roller, 2010 stock Camaro. What was that other one we had? It was a 2010 Chevy Impala. So we got two 2010 cars in the Hot Wheels Race Team series, one white and one blue. And take a look at this. This is going to be popular with all the boys out there. The Barbie Dream Camper. This car is actually pretty cool. And it's part of the Hot Wheels Getaways series. I don't think this one will work very well on the track, but it's a pretty cool crossover with Barbie. I actually like the casting, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what happens with this one in the future, because it's, you know, a Barbie Dream Camper. Not sure how different it can be other than this bright pink color, but it's a pretty cool casting. I actually really, really like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below of the Barbie Dream Camper. Next up, we've got the Tuned Twin Mill. Is this a brand new casting? I've never seen it before. That's pretty awesome. Usually the Toon series are a bit weird. Well, this is weird, but they're pretty cool. I actually really like it. And we have another 86 Monte Carlo SS. Let's keep on going. Oh man, this one is going to be popular. A recolor on the Road Bandit, and it's in the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Actually, there's no letter on top. What's going on? What's the Art Car series got for us in 2021? I don't know. That's weird, but it's a really cool one. That's going on the exciting side over here. We've also got a 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 that was from the previous case, and a Night Dragon. Oh, talk about Night Dragons. We've got another one right here, so that's 2 in the case. We've got Poison Arrow in the Hot Wheels Daredevil series. I'm not sure how Daredevilish this one will get. It's not going to work on a track, but pretty weird looking plane. And we've got the Baja Bone Shaker. It's actually... Hang on, what? 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 It says treasure hunt there. I was like, what's going to be the treasure hunt for this case? I got it. It's the Baja Bone Shaker. First treasure hunt for 2021. Look at the wheels. Really cool. In the Holiday Races series. Man, this is cool. Very happy with that one. Thank you. Oh, Rigger Motor. Haven't seen this one for a while, or is it brand new? I feel like I've seen it before, but hey, look at the wheels. Exactly the same as on the Baja Bone Shaker. Pretty cool to have those weird wheels on 2 cars in the same case. The Nissan 300ZX Twin Turbo in blue, and mad props in the Hot Wheels Rescue series. Don't want him to rescue me. Now we've got the 2010 stock Camaro. That's the second one for this case. We've got a 2019 Mercedes-Benz A-Class, also a second one. And we've got Electro Silhouettes. All right, let's get into the second layer of this case. Can I see another Barbie car down there? Looks like I'm going to be able to open it up and get it on the track. All right, let's go for the top 3 here. What have we got? Velocity Racer. We've got a 2019 Kia Stinger GT, and we've got the 70s Dodge Power Wagon. This is awesome. Take a look at that car. In the Baja Blazer series, I really like this one actually. It won't work on the track. It is way too wide, but a really cool car. Let's keep digging. We've got another Electro Silhouette. We've got a Corvette C7Z06 or Z06. Let me know how you want to say that. Is it Z or Z? And another 2019 Kia Stinger GT. So, man, could this be the best case of 2021? Oh, we've got the Hot Wheels Trackstar series again for 2021, and this is retroactive. This car looks pretty cool. It's going to be awesome on the track. Got a 69 Camaro, and we've got a Big Air Bel Air in the Rod Squad series. That is a carryover. Let's keep on digging. Another Velociracer, another Night Dragon, and the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. We saw that in the last case of 2020. Oh, nice. All right, what's this? Yeah, this is going to be popular. The X34 Land Speeder in the Hot Wheels Screen Time series crossover with Star Wars. Got some wheels on the bottom there. I like how it sits on the card on the angle. Pretty cool. I think it's going to be really popular. Let me know what you think in the comments below. But we also pulled out a 2018 Bentley Continental GT3 and an Aeropod. Alright, let's keep going. We've got another Rigger Motor, a Corvette C7Z06, and the Mattel Dreammobile in the Toon series. It's not really a tuned car, is it? I don't know how they can get away with putting that in the Toon series, but I actually really like this color. Looks cool. Actually, I think I like it better than the red. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Alright, now we've got another Big Air Bel Air. We've got the Cruiser Bruiser and another 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Now let's have a look. A 64 Nova Wagon Gasser, another Dreammobile there, and we've got the Toyota AE86 Sprinter Trino. Is that what it is? A Trino. Gee, I don't even know how to say that word. But this is a cool car. And the series, Hot Wheels Drift. This is going to be awesome. Only 5 cars in this series, but I just have a feeling it's going to be pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Getting to the bottom of this case almost. We've got a Hyper Fin. It's the second one of the case. The X34 Land Speeder, second one of the case. And the Barbie Dream Camper, second of the case. Let's keep digging. We've got a 69 Camaro, the 2019 Audi R8 Spider, and we've got Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile. Take a look at the color on this one. Can you see that red? It's actually a pretty nice looking color. I don't really get too excited about the Batmobiles, but This one doesn't look too bad. Alright, 6 cars to go. What have we got? Another Toyota AE86 Sprinter, and I won't say the last word. We've got a Triumph TR6 in the Hot Wheels Race Day series. Man, this car is awesome. Take a look, and that green color, very nice on this car. I wouldn't mind one for myself. And we've got a Tankinator. I'll put the Tankinator there, and I'll put the Triumph over on this side. Alright, 3 cars left, and what do we have? We've got a T-Rex, what is it? A T-Rex Roya. That's a bit of a mouthful. We've got the 64 Corvette Stingray. Oh, that car is beautiful. Not sure about the red, the white dots on the red. A little bit weird being a bit polka dot there, but I like that one. And another Roger Dodger. So let's split it up and put the Corvette over here, and Roger Dodger and T-Rex Sawyer over there. Now let's check out my favorites of the case. Now it's probably easy to guess because I put all my favorites over here. Let's pull them out and take a look. Definitely the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect is up there. The 64 Corvette Stingray. Also, actually, I like Retroactive in the Trackstar series. But I'm gonna have to say the Barbie Dream Camper, that's a pretty cool car. Maybe that's almost like the best car. Oh, don't shoot me. I like the Road Bandit recolor, very nice. And I like Triumph TR6. But I'm gonna say the standout of the case for me is the Baja Bone Shaker Treasure Hunt. Man, that's pretty cool. Very happy to have that one. All right, make sure you have smashed a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Which is your favorite car from the 2021 A case? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.